Good day, ma'am. My name is Ronald T. Santiago Jr. And today I will be presenting a case study titled Innovative Global Marketing Strategies by Tesla. This study explores how Tesla leverages branding, customer engagement, market entry strategies, and innovative to succeed globally. The objective of this case study is to analyze Tesla's marketing strategies and understand how its innovative approach drives success in different markets. Throughout this presentation, I will focus on four key areas: branding, customer engagement, market entry strategies, and innovation. Tesla has positioned itself as a global leader in sustainable energy solutions. Its branding emphasizes minimalistic yet luxurious designs that resonate with environmentally conscious, high-end customers. This unique positioning helps Tesla differentiate itself from competitors in the automotive industry. Tesla's approach to customer engagement is revolutionary. Instead of relying on traditional dealerships, Tesla sells directly to consumers through its website and showrooms. Additionally, Tesla uses social media extensively, not just for marketing but to engage directly with its audience and build a loyalty community. When entering new markets, Tesla adopts clear localization strategies. For example, in China, Tesla collaborated with the local suppliers to reduce production costs and established Gigafactory Shanghai to streamline delivery efficiency. Tesla's marketing in China was also tailored to align with local cultural preferences, which boosted its success in the region. Innovation is at the heart of Tesla's success. The company constantly improves its product offerings, like its autopilot feature and long-range batteries, which keep it ahead of our competitors. Tesla also reduces production costs through vertical integration and advanced automation in its gigafactories, enabling sustainable growth. In conclusion, Tesla's marketing strategies combine branding, customer engagement, localization, and innovation to create a global success story. The company's ability to adapt and innovate make it a market leader in the automotive and energy industries. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening. God bless.